Hello there. Today we're gonna learn how to deploy a app on Vercel, and it's going to be free. And for that, we actually first create an application. I'm gonna rename it. I'm gonna call it Vercel app, for example. And then I'm gonna open it in my VS Code with drag and drop, or you can select the folder too. Trust test, and then we're gonna go to terminal from here. And sorry, I have some settings switched on. We go to terminal here, and here we're gonna first create the application. Going to be React app. We're gonna use the white command for that. Let's say npm white or wheat, whatever you're gonna call it, latest, and the name of the app. Name of the app, we are already in the folder, so I'm gonna just put dot here, and here I'm gonna put these two dashes and then template. Then after template, we're gonna write, is it React or Angular or Vue, and now we know that we are going to build in React. I'm going to hit enter. There's some issue, unknown command. Yeah, I think npm create wheat. I'm going to hit install. So project name, just dot, and as you can see, we have this. See the folder. Now we're going to install npm install, and then we're going to do npm run dev to actually first run this application locally in the computer to see how it looks. And while it's being installed, I just want to tell you that because we're going to deploy the application on Vercel, you need to have your account with Vercel, and for that you need to first have your account on GitHub. So we go to our GitHub and we create a repository here. I'm going to create a test repo. I'm going to say Vercel app test, for example. I want to put it public, so if you want you can check later on. And then here, as you can see, push an existing repository from the command line or create a new repository. So we have already a folder. I'm gonna just hit initialize that folder with git. And before I do that, I just wanted to show you how it looks locally. So npm run dev. We're gonna see how it looks locally in the computer, like on the local computer. As you can see, this is how it looks. Okay, so what I want is that we have this local. If I share this link with you guys or anyone in the world, they won't be able to access because this is a localhost link. But now what I want this application to be deployed on Vercel. Why? Because if I share the link created by Vercel, if I share the link with anyone in the world would be able to see what I'm writing or what I'm typing or what application I'm building. So they'll be able to test everything you see here. I don't need to explain React. I mean, the purpose here is just to deploy the application on Vercel. And for the application to be deployed on Vercel, it needs to be pushed to a GitHub repo. So we created an empty GitHub repo. So now here we're going to say git. First of all, git init. So we initialize a git repo. And then I'm going to do git add. Then I'm going to commit it and say initial commit. Okay, and then what I'm going to do here, first of all, I'm going to add this repo. I'm going to add, so to say, link the online repo with this folder. I'm going to say git remote at origin, and I can type in github.com, my GitHub username, then the repo name Vercel test app.git. So it's done. Now the next thing we're gonna do, git branch, go to main branch. All right, and then I'm gonna do git push u origin main. I think I need to log in. Sorry, I didn't check. I should check it already. However, so I'm logged in. Seems like it's saying the Vercel. This is not found. So I need to remove it first. Maybe I just need to copy the command. I'm gonna just copy this. There could be something I'm missing. Remote or okay, so it's already exists. First of all, I need to remove. I'm gonna say git remote remove origin, and then I'm gonna paste and hit command. And now I'm gonna say git push u origin main. Should be done. Yes, it's the code is pushed. So if you refresh this, you will see that the code is already here. Okay, so the code is pushed or deployed. So the application is not yet deployed yet. So we're gonna go to Vercel. So if you do not have your Vercel account, you need to create. I already have it. I'm gonna log in with my GitHub because I'm already logged in with my GitHub. So here in Vercel, I'm gonna log in with my GitHub. Here I'm gonna say add new project. You will see this dashboard once you create your account, and you will see all of your repos. So here I see Vercel app test. You see we just created that. We're gonna click import, and I'm not going to change it. I'm not going to change the folder to. I'm gonna just hit deploy, and it should be deployed. That means whatever you see here should be deployed here as the online link, which I will be able to share with anyone in the world, and they will be able to see it. So while it's being installed, I think install. We don't need to wait. So I'm gonna click here. As you can see, we got this app deployed. So if I share this link with anyone, you will see that they'll be able to access it. And if I want, it's so easy to redeploy it too. For example, if I go to app.jsx here and I do make some changes here, React plus Basit, just my name. Yes. I'm gonna say git add, git commit. I'm gonna say Basit text added as the commit. Oh, I need to just git push. Should work. I need to set up my global username, but it's fine. It should work here actually. And you will see that once if you go to your Vercel and you continue your dashboard here, you will see that it's deployed already. Let me see the last. Okay, so we only see the initial commit still. Should be deployed again. Yeah, as you can see, it's deployed. So Basit is deployed, and also you will see on GitHub the latest commit, which is this Basit text added. You see, so that's so easy that you do changes in your VS Code. You do the three commands actually: git add, git commit, and then git push. It will be auto deployed on the same link that you already get. So that means your friends, users, or clients will get real-time updates if you keep changes your code and if you want to modify or update something. So yeah, that's how you deploy code on Vercel. Your application on Vercel, and you can use anything that could be Angular or Vue or anything else. So yeah, thanks for that, guys. If you like the video and if you think this is valuable, just please hit like, and also share with your friends who are starting the coding and programming, especially if they are working with React and if they want to use free free ways to deploy the applications. So yeah, thank you.